Hey guys, Lek here. Today I want to show you a quick video how to clean and re-oil your K&N air filter, whether it's a cone like in this intake or if it's the flat one that replaces those paper filters you have inside your filter box in the car. The process is the same for both. With the comb, maybe a little harder to do as it is round, but to get started, you're gonna need this kit from K&N. It's the cleaner and the oil. So what I'm going to do is remove this filter and show you guys exactly what the process. We're doing this on a 2007 Dodge Charger, but the car has nothing to do with it. It's just a filter cleaning process. And yeah, let's get started. So once you get your filter off, flat one or the cone one like I mentioned, we're going to spray all this down with the cleaner. And once you soak it in the cleaner, just from the outside, inside is clean. This is the enclosed area. You only clean on the outside of it. So we're going to spray this down good. And then we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Let the cleaner work its magic and loosen all the gunk. Once 10 minutes passes, we'll take our hose and rinse it out. And hopefully we'll be clean. If not, we'll repeat step 1 and 2 again. So about 10 minutes passed. You can actually see it's looking slightly cleaner already. So now you're gonna get your hose. You're not gonna put anything high pressure. You don't wanna damage the filter. I'm gonna go shower mode, and you're gonna rinse it from the inside out to get all the gunk and debris out of the grooves here. You don't wanna spray from this side because you're just gonna embed it more. So all we're doing, get this out of the way, just spray it all out. And you're doing this so you get all the dirt out, and also till you get all the cleaner out. You don't want any of that cleaner left over in your filter. Now, as you can see, a lot of gunk is coming out. This is not clean water. So filter's looking pretty good. I'm gonna make sure I get everything. And if you're satisfied with the result, if it looks clean, it's basically becoming like a white filter. We're gonna let this dry, air dry. Don't like try to force dry it. Just let it sit and fully dry. After that, we can apply the oil, which basically makes the K&N filters red. I'm gonna leave this overnight and show you guys the finished product in the morning when I oil it up. Alright guys, our filter is all clean now. As you can see, it's a lot lighter in color. The gunk is, I would say, 99% gone. I'm not doing it again. This is good enough for me. Now we grab our oil. This is the oil version that you just pour out. There's also aerosol version that you just spray on, which will be easier. You're grabbing the tip of this and you're putting it on each top of each groove here to cover this completely. Spread it out evenly. So basically, I'm just pouring it on each groove so I can soak it. And you do this all the way around. Once you complete the whole process, wait 20 minutes, see what you missed, touch that up so the entire filter is red, and then you will be good to go. So I will finish this up and I'll show you guys the final result, and then we can put the filter back in the car. So there it is, guys. You want a nice uniform red color all in all the edges. This looks great. This is how the K&N filters get their red look. So now we're gonna just pop this back on. And there you have it, guys. Brand new K&N filter. These things are meant to last a lifetime. I had this one for about 10 years, and as you see, it's still looking great. As long as you maintain it, do this cleaning and re-oiling every year, and your car is gonna last a while. Your filter, I mean. Guys, thank you for watching. Any comments, questions, please comment below. I got more videos on this car coming, and as well as lots of other stuff, so please subscribe, follow my channel, and come back for more. Thank you.